So, how can you do this problem in 30 seconds or less? What decimal is equivalent to negative 13 over 11? So it's the same thing as negative 1 and 2 over 11. If you multiply this by 9, it's negative 1 and 18 over 99. And the answer is C. How was I able to do this problem so fast? So we have an improper fraction. It is negative 13 over 11. Let's first of all turn this into a proper fraction, although that's one of the things that I highly advise against, but this is one of those unique situations when you have to do it. So it's just negative 1 and 2 over 11. Now we're going to go through multiple choices. They're all minus 1, right? So there's nothing we can do. There's nothing we can exclude. However, we see this 11 here. So I would like to turn the bottom closer to the 100, right? So if I multiply this by 9, I gotta get to 99, which is kind of close to 100. That's kind of what I want, but I also need to multiply the top. Of course, we're not touching the integer itself, so it just stays, it's staying as negative 1. So it's negative 1, right? Now let me change the color just to make it more visible. So I'm multiplying these two guys, right? So it's 18, and I'm multiplying these two guys, it's 99. So it is very close, therefore, if you're going to turn this into a decimal, to negative 1.18, right? Because this is super close to 100. So therefore, the whole answer is extremely close, like close, to negative 1 and 18 over 100, which of course translates into negative 1.18, but not quite. So what can we establish from there? First of all, B has to go because it's negative 11, right? So it's not like it's supposed to be negative 18 here. Negative 11 is too little, so B is out. Same thing applies to D. It's negative 1.8, right? As opposed to negative 1.18. So D is out. And see how this is between A and C. So let's look through these two options. So option A is just strictly negative 1.18. It's very strict. Now for C, right? For C, it's negative 1.18 bar. So it's negative 1.18, right? Another 18. Another 18, and it continues forever. All right, so that's the difference. That's what this bar here indicates. So now we don't have negative 1.18 strict. We have negative 18 over 99, which is close to A, but it's not A. So A is out. The answer is C. That's it.